If you own an early 2000s GSXR, you might want to take a look at your airbox where it meets the air intake duct, because more than likely your foam gasket is going to look like this. So this here presses up against the frame, and through the frame the intake duct fits onto it. I'll show you what I mean here. So intake duct goes around through the frame, through here. Your airbox is here. The foam is supposed to press up against and kind of seal the air from escaping around, and allow the airbox to move just a little bit. So today I'm going to show you how to quickly make a new foam gasket. I have the airbox here, took out the filter, took off the top. What you're going to want to use is just a little bit of carburetor cleaner. It'll really take care of that foam and get it released from there. It's not going to hurt your plastic, just a quick spray. It's going to evaporate, won't warp anything. So after a minute or two, it's just going to come off super easy like this. Use a brush, use a rag, whatever you need to use. Just make sure everything is very clean, because we're going to be using adhesive on this surface, and you don't want any debris in your airbox, obviously. So I'm just going to wipe away all that old foam material, clean the surface. Now that we're all clean, I'm going to get this sponge window seal, self-adhesive. I believe I got it from Lowe's a while ago. Home Depot, any hardware store should have this type of foam. It's going to come in a roll like this. You cut it to whatever length you need. For this diameter, we're going to need about 10.5 inches, 11 inches to completely go around and seal. This foam does have some adhesive. I'm not super happy with it, and the other side is not. But if this does not work, I'm just going to use some spray adhesive. Quickly give it a spray and strengthen that up. So this is the finished result. I decided to put the seam at the bottom. You can choose to seal that or glue that together if you want. I'll see how it goes without gluing it. I may have to add more adhesive. It kind of slides off a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and do the other side and see how it fits. So I actually went ahead and super glued the foam seam together where the two meet, and I fitted over this, and I added a couple dabs of super glue to the bottom and top and corners, just a little drop, and I left it hanging over the edge of the frame here, so that when the airbox is in place, it presses against that foam, and I think it provides a pretty good seal. Give you some light here. So we're pressed up there. Look inside. Definitely seems to be a decent seal. Much better than having no seal at all. You're losing air that way. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Is this a good fix? Is this a good quick fix?